Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I've got a new little product that'll work in any truck or car, and it's basically what it is the seat gap filler. So when you get in the car and your phone falls out of your pocket or your keys and they fall into that, what I call the black hole of your vehicle, and you can't get to them and you have to get back out of the car and climb under the seat and get the stuff. So I got this product here I'm going to try out, and, um, and let's go check it out. Has this ever happened to you when you got in a car, your phone falls out of your pocket, whether you're on the driver or passenger side, and there it goes. Your phone falls into the black hole of your vehicle. Check this out. This happened? This ever happened? And you're like, what the heck? Where'd it go? And you can't start driving, or you're driving down the road and your phone does that. Okay, so what we have here is the seat gap filler for a car, truck, or SUV. This one says, this one's called the Drop Stop. They make many of these. I used to have this in an older car of mine, a Subaru, and just the way the seats were, whenever I got in, if my keys fell out, they would fall into that, what I call the black hole. Okay, so here we go. Let's open it up, see what we got here. Okay, let's see what's down in here. We got a whole bunch of stuff here. This one came with this rubber silicone thing. You can stick this on your dash. It keeps your phone from sliding around. This is just extra. Came with a bunch of stuff. Came with directions. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to show you how to do it. You also get two of these, one for each side. These are made, it's kind of like a neoprene. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, check this out. What is this? Oh, it's a little flashlight thing. Well, this will be good to see what's down in that black hole, whether you dropped money or keys or, your wallet or your phone. But anyway, so let's install this thing and see how it does. Okay, so what you do is you want to place this down between the gap right here, and basically this slot right here goes over the seatbelt. So let's do that. We're going to do this like that. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is you want to pull the seat out a little bit. Pull the seat out and push this down in there. Can you see how I'm doing that? You pull on it and you press that down. Now I'm not pushing it down too far. You're still able to use the seatbelt just fine. It just fills that whole gap. And then if you get in the car and you go, whoops, the keys are stopped. They're right there. So, see, just like that. That just works out. Just look at that. Perfect. Doesn't fall down into the black hole. So these are really handy. I like these. And I will keep using them. I'm going to install one on both sides. It's easy to do. And things like this, they're not necessary, but they're helpful. If you get in your car, depending on your keychain or whatever, and it falls out of your pocket and falls down in this hole, what are you going to do? You're going to have to get out of the car, climb under the seat, and figure out, where your keys are, and you're probably going to find money and candy and whatever, especially if you have kids. So, that's why I get these things. So, guys, this just works really well. It's not necessary, but it is helpful. And for the price, it's very inexpensive. That's kind of like some of the mods I like to do. You can do real pricey mods. You can really modify your vehicle. I'm at the point where I've kind of run out of things to do on that, but I can do these little mods and show you how I do them and show you how they're helpful. And that's what I'm trying to do. You can get these little seat gap fillers in all different types of material and colors. I will put a link under the video in the description so you can check it out and do your own research. Check out my links. I've got a lot of, I've got links to this. This is AJT Designs. Links to the dash cover, which is great for putting patches on. And, if you look up here, I've put a little Laminex red on these I put the LED lights kit in my whole car, and they were a little bright on these map lights, so I put some red Laminex over them. And that's not really, I went ahead and did it and didn't video it, but you know, I just stuck it over the light, but it really helps a lot. It really dims it down, and it's red, kind of looks cool. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. Check out these seat gap fillers. They will work in sedans, trucks, anything. And I will see you next time. See ya. Hey guys, just a second. If you would, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Just takes a second to do it. Thanks, y'all.